Welcome back to the channel. Drop a like on the video and comment justice for Donna Lee Donaldson in the comment section. We have another update in the Donna Lee Donaldson case, the Noel Maitland murder trial. Noel Maitland is on trial for the murder and preventing lawful burial of Donna Lee Donaldson. Now, under witness cross-examination, it was revealed today that one of the last persons to speak to Donna Lee was her close friend who spoke to her a day before she went missing. And she believed that Donna Lee was on the road. Now, under witness cross-examination from the defense attorney, Christopher Townsend, she said she formed that view based on the sounds of cars that were in the background. Donna Lee's mother, Sophia Lugg, previously testified that Maitland had picked up her daughter from home on July the 11th, and that she last spoke to her daughter the following morning, but could not reach her after. Donaldson's friend said she too spoke with Donaldson on July the 12th, as she was to collect something from her father, but was told that there would be a delay. What kind of delay? What took place? Did Maitland and her go somewhere? Because her mother said she talked to her in the morning. Her friend said she talked to her. But she was told that there would be a delay. They need to meet up. She need to collect some money. And I think give the friend for some that some of them need go. Some dinner they need have and some money, and she got to pay back some money, and she need to collect the money from her father. That's why she'd have the passport. Now, it was this conversation, the witness said, she felt occurred while Donna Lee Donaldson was on the road. However, in answering Townsend's question, she said she did not tell the court that in her evidence in chief. However, during the re-examination, she said the information was given in her statement. The witness, before ending her testimony, said that while being cross-examined, that she was aware that Donaldson and her mother, or the mother of Maitland's child rather, had an ongoing dispute. The court, in previous evidence from Miss Lugg, heard that she was told by Maitland that Donna Lee Donaldson left his home on July the 12th after they had a minor dispute. What a dispute? What was the argument about? But keep in mind, y'all tell me, say, them have an argument. This is a former member of law enforcement. At that time, he was a member of law enforcement, trained and a member of law enforcement. Now, he have an argument with the woman, and the woman left him yard, and he don't know how she left. He don't know who she left with. Y'all tell me, say, now, gated community, we have security at the gate. Then why spend so much money on upkeep for these luxury apartments if when something like this happen, the camera can't tell you who come pick up nobody from your yard, and the security where you pay at the gate, him can't tell you who come need that? Is it all worth it? People live in these gated communities for peace of mind and a sense of security. That's why them have cameras everywhere and them have security 24/7. But yet still, this man is saying his girlfriend went missing from his house, and the cameras and the security them couldn't help him. This not sound right. This sounds strange. This sounds strange. And he must say he don't know where she go. But while the friend that talked to her, the friend said she assumes that she dey on the road. Oh, she dey on the road ready for him come pick her up. Then lean on a car. We don't know if Donna Lee own a motor vehicle. Donna Lee own a motor vehicle. Tell me Donna Lee own a motor vehicle. And even if she did own a motor vehicle, remember, as her mother said, him pick her up the day before in a film car and go with her. So all she did have a car for herself. Or should have got drive it from film yard or car park a film yard? If she got drive out and go back on the road, it sound like I would him and I go back on the road. But that's why conveniently I say some people are speculate. You remember this is how people are speculate. Some people are say maybe that is why him say him and I have an argument and she left. Because him not want it seem like him and I go up on the road. I don't know if he did know such talk. And if him and I did go up on the road, him would have did know so she get a call from the friend. Him know would have did know that him and I on the phone. Him and I on the road and our phone ring and she get the call. So he would not know. So who knows if that is why he must say she left and he don't know how she left. He would have said no why she left. She left because of the argument we must say them have. But he don't know how she leave the apartment. This is him statement. Tell me if you feel like the jury are gonna believe. The defense attorney are trying best. But and we hear them a try. Me go say this. Me hear them a try with every turn and ray for try to say maybe it wasn't Maitland or somebody else. But them not call a name. Oh, Maitland not call a name neither. Maybe this was the strategy of Maitland all along. Maybe I gave him defense team strategy this year. Maybe this is Maitland's strategy. Remember, this is a trained member of law enforcement. For much years. Maybe he must say, if him can just create doubt that it was him. Clearly, Donna Lee Donnelson has not returned home from how long. But if him can create a doubt, say it was him, well, he must say maybe his name can be cleared. But based on me hear people talking in the comment section and people are talking about it overall, and the jury are regular Jamaicans, regular people too. And the people when they're on the road are just them make their assumptions and their point of views based on what them are here. Are the same thing the jury are do. The jury is making their decision and their point of view based on all of what them are here. And when them are here, we are here too. After them hear it, then we hear it. And the people are make them decisions based on that. And we the people must say, yo, them still feel like Maitland guilty. So some would assume and believe that people also feel like the jury believes that Maitland still guilty too. Because there has been nothing that we have heard and we are talking about based on. They've now gone into things where we did here before the trial start. Since the trial start, there is nothing that has been said that would make we feel like say, yo, Maitland no know what go on. Or Noel Maitland no know what go on. Not say. But we just say, yo, one day if I never him. Tell me if you have heard something that was mentioned that made you say, well, maybe I never him, maybe him just know about it. And even so, that is a crime. And it's even more despicable, more worse. Seeing that he's a member of law enforcement. So even if he never commit the crime, he just know about it. You tell me say a member of law enforcement when know about a crime being committed against his girlfriend and him not help solve that crime there. That are heights of wickedness. That are upper echelon of wickedness. This is a man where take a word for serve and protect. And you not serve and protect your own girlfriend? This don't make no sense. You can't understand. I don't know what I want. When further updates are made known to the public, we will talk about it. Until the reason again, live, love and prosper. And of course, stay tuned.